welcome to Top Model Talk Show with your girl, MSDENISHIA Baby. I'm bringing it straight to you from the Modeling Bootcamp Handbook today. And remember, watch this video. I hope you learned something, and then subscribe to my channel to continue to learn more. Every week we post up new videos concerning modeling, acting, and the industry. Now, the last couple of times we talked about, general rules, being on time, how to be professional, no chewing gum. Yes, we talked about that a whole episode. And eating during your training or backstage or anything like that when it has to do with being professional. No eating in your clothes that are provided by the clients. We talked about, no drinking and, spilling juice or coffee on items and how that can actually be a major problem, okay? So that's a big no-no. Water is okay. And we talked about no smoking. No bad habits, including bad attitudes and foul language. So today, we're going to talk about respecting other models, okay? Respecting other space, especially now. It's a lot going on in the world, especially with the pandemic, COVID-19. So respecting other space is extremely important, okay? And not only social distancing, but we're talking if a model is, having her space, she's over there, in her corner, maybe reading a book and, getting ready for the set. But then you come over there sitting next to her being all loud and obnoxious. That's the problem, okay? So respect their space. Also, we're backstage. It's kind of crowded. It's very hard, especially with what's going on now, to do social distancing backstage doing a performance or while you're waiting for a fashion show. So with that being said, again, that just means giving people their space. And that means about, a few feet away. It doesn't mean be all up on them and be all like, girl, what you doing? And all up in their business, okay? Looking at their phone, all up in their Snapchat, okay? It just means giving them their space, respectfully so. So, not only that, you want to also respect items. So if someone allows you to borrow a pair of shoes because maybe you didn't bring your favorite pumps today, or maybe your heel broke, they're allowing you to now share one of their shoes, or a pair of their shoes, not one. You got 2 feet, right? So they're allowing you to share a pair of their shoes for the show, for a fashion show, or for a shoot, okay? Or maybe they may offer you something that, I haven't never used this lip balm before, but definitely you can use it. And they're sharing something with you. Be polite about that. Be grateful. Be thankful. And if you're borrowing something that's going to be returned, then return it. I've borrowed so many items to models, and I will find my items that I borrowed and loaned out literally to be helpful on the floor. They don't hand them back to me. They throw them in a corner. They sit them down, upside down, flip-flopped over, and then they leave. And I'm running around looking for the things that I loaned out. Respect the items that are given to you. Respect other models' space. And just be respectful in general when you're on set. All right? So that's the main thing I want to talk about today. Now, if you have any questions for me, you can actually send them to topmodeltalkshow@gmail.com. And remember to hit that subscription button. Thank you. Bye. Until next time.